Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Kelly's Corner. Today I'm helping Kelly with making some fake popcorn and cranberry strands. I know as a kid I used to do this with real popcorn and real cranberry to hang it on your tree, on your Christmas tree. So what I've done is I've taken some spray foam that you can buy at Walmart or craft stores, and basically laid out some shapes. You can tell they kind of look like popcorn, but I want to go ahead and smooth them a little bit and get rid of some of the odd little pieces here and there. And then once we're done with this step, we'll do a little dry brush of some brown to give it some realistic paint. And then we'll string them up with our burgundy ornaments that will look like cranberries. And we'll have a finished garland of giant popcorn and giant cranberries. So I'm going to be using a wood burning tool. We found that this has been really helpful for cutting foam. We do have a foam cutting tool, but it's a larger blade, whereas this lets us do a little bit more detail. So like I said, I'm going to cut off some of the extra edges, make them a little bit smoother, and then we'll go from there. And you can give it as much or as little texture as you would like. There's a little bit of burning, but we'll take care of that with the paint on the next step. So starting to get a little bit rounder shape, looks more like popcorn. Spray foam can be used for a lot of things. We've used this in Halloween as well, as it's a good product for fake intestines. So we're almost done with this one. And I'm pretty happy with that. Hi guys, I'm back and I've got Zoe here with me. Say hi.
Hi.
And so I trimmed all the paint, or I'm sorry, I trimmed all the popcorn balls, popcorn pieces. And now we're ready to do a little painting. I've got kind of a light beige and a brown, and Zoe's got some white that she's gonna do some touch-ups on. She's gonna help me. So we're gonna do some painting and see how these turn out.
See.
And if you look at popcorn, it's basically all the crevices are where brown might be. So I'm just kind of dry brushing.
There's a lot of parts for the top, so
So as you can see, we've used some orange twine that we had. You can use really any kind of rope or even like fishing line, I think would work well. And basically I've used a screwdriver to puncture the popcorn. And then we're going to lace the rope through that, as well as these Dollar Tree ornaments that we purchased. So I'm going to do a few more of those. You can kind of see where we've started. And then once we have a finished product, I'll show you where it's at. So I wanted to show, we're using a flathead screwdriver and basically just putting the rope over the tip. And then we will put this inside the popcorn through the hole. And basically that helps us actually do the lacing of the popcorn. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And check out our other channels, Jack's 2 Adventure and Let's Pretend Kids.